This linear regression, as the name suggests, linear, straight regression, this is one of the most simple machine learning algorithm that comes under the supervised learning technique and is used for solving regression problems. This is used for predicting the continuous dependent variable with the help of independent variables. The goal of the linear regression is to find the best fit line that can accurately predict the output of the continuous dependent variable. So if a single independent variable is used for the prediction, then it is called simple linear regression. If there are more than two independent variables, then such regression is called multiple linear regression. That is, if we have y equals say mx plus c, this is the equation of line. So here is one variable, another variable. Now this is an independent variable. This is the variable which is dependent on it. Means this is totally dependent on this, but x can take any value. But if you have like this y equals mx1 plus say m1x1 and m2x2 plus c like this, so you have two variables which are independent and here one is independent. So this is x1 x2, you can extend it to any number, and these m1 m2 and m, these are called the coefficients, and the coefficient weight decide how much important this variable is. So this is the example of linear regression. This is the multiple linear regression. By finding the best fit line, algorithm establishes the relationship between the dependent variable and independent variable, and the relation should be of linear nature. The output of the linear regression should only be the continuous value, like the price, like age, like the salary. Okay, so these can be the output. So this is a diagram, or rather a graph, which is showing you two values. One value is a dependent value, one is an independent value. So what you see here, salary, this is the dependent value, and this is totally dependent on number of years of experience the person has. So this is a dependent value and this is an independent value. Now here is when we take the data, that is for this experience how much is the salary, for this experience how much is the salary, and then you are being asked, okay, for this experience what would be the salary. So we fit a line here. These are all the data. These are nothing but the x and y components. Means you will get the experience and salary as a table like this. So you have this x and y values like this. So you are plotting it, and once you have done all these, you will make a line that is fitting maximum number of points. And this is only the linear regression. Now when you are being told, okay, tell me at this point, what will be, if this is the experience, what will be the value of the salary? So this is how you will find out the salary, right? So let me give you a general equation of this, as I indicated you here also. Y equals b0 plus b1 x plus c. This is nothing but y equals a constant b0. Then you have a x which is an independent variable, and then you multiply it with some other, say b1. These are just coefficients, and just this c is an intercept here, y intercept. If you extend it, so this is called the intercept, and this is kind of that only. As I said, b0, b1, these are, because here you see m is the slope and c is the y-intercept, and e is some error. You can call it as an error or some epsilon that may be there, because you want to fit it to the maximum extent. You want to fit maximum points to this line. And here, as I suggested, y is the variable which is dependent on x. So x is the independent variable, y is the independent variable.